I wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
Isang panibagong bukas ang ating hinahangad. Huwag mong sasayangin ang pagkakataong dumadapos na iyong mga palad.
Lahat ng aking pagsisikap ay
Welcome to the vibrant world of MICE Tourism, where meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions converge to create unforgettable experiences and drive positive change. As event organizers, it is our responsibility to not only deliver exceptional experiences but also contribute to sustainable development.
Absolutely. That's why we integrate United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for our exhibition planning and for execution.
Let's not forget about SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. By hosting exhibitions in urban centers like Manila, we contribute to the development of inclusive and resilient cities.
SDG 13, climate action, is also crucial. We are committed to minimizing environmental impact of our event and promoting awareness of climate change mitigation strategies.
Through partnerships and collaborations, we amplify our impact across all 17 disciplines, driving progress for a more sustainable and equitable future for all.
Take SDG 8, Decent Work and Economic Growth. By hosting exhibitions, we create opportunities for businesses to showcase their products and services, stimulating economic activity and creating jobs. Also, SDG 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure, align perfectly with our efforts to promote technological advancements and innovation within the MICE industry. And what about SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production? We encourage exhibitors to adopt sustainable practices from using eco-friendly materials by reducing waste and carbon emissions. Join us on this journey towards sustainable development through MICE Tourism. Together, we can create meaningful experiences, foster economic growth, and build a better world for generations to come.
MICE Tourism, where meetings, incentives,
Conferences and exhibitions.
SME, the Sustainable Development Goals.
Join us and be part of the change.
Now it's time to give
another scenario. So, di ba yung husband? Let's isa pong fried chicken.
Say that we could be
Pwede ba umiis sa pangalaw? Hindi ko napansin, unti-unti nawawala ang kaba sa aking dibdib. Bawat minuto tumatagal ako nang dahil sa'yo.
Ang boss. Wala kang boss na yun, Tim. Ikaw ang kanta. Gusto ko ano.
Dumadaan ang araw, di mo na malaya na ubusan ka ng oras. Isang pangalan na ikaw lang ang kasama, kulang ang panahon, di sapat ang boss na. You give me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You give me a meaning to my life, as I'm gone beyond existing. And over again.
Watch and learn.
Okay, bilis naman magsawa ng puso mo. Ganyan ka ba talaga? Bigla na lang naglalaho. Para bang walang nangyari, di mo man lang sinabi. Sana'y hindi na lang pinilit pa, wala rin patutunguhan ka. Sabihin ko pa, mahal kita. Nalululot, nayalubog, nagmumukmok, hindi ko pagkakakaya pa. Damdamin ko, yeah. Oh, 'cause you won't listen. I'm not home in my own home to say what's on my mind. You should have known. Now I don't believe in you. I won't let one you made of me. I found a voice thinking good to me.
Siguro daw sa TikTok nag-video.
Oh, yeah, she my style, yeah. Bugis ko siya dahil she my style.
Alam ko na kaya niya na mag-isa. Yung sarili niya ay kaya niya dalhin. Pero dama ko pa dinadama niya. Pagkasama niya ako iba pa rin.
Kahit ano pang sabihin nila, malabo daw ang aking mata. Iibigin at ikaw ang para sa akin. Sayang lang dong postura, kung ganyan lang ang itsura. Hindi alam kung ano ba ang madudulot ito. Hindi ka naman gwapo, macho di masyado, ngunit sabi ng puso'y sabi ng barkada, wag na lang daw sana, kung sabi ng puso'y
we should analyze the impact of these trends on the MICE tourism sector and predict future developments. So later on, malalaman natin kung ano nga ba yung mga possible na ina-attendan natin ng mga events.
Sunod sa linya ng pag-ibig. Sunod sa linya ng pag-ibig.
Basta Disco sa Barangay.
What's up, rap?
Ang ibig misteryoso. Di ba mabasa yung tunay na motibo? Di mo pinapakita, kaliwa sa iyong salita. Pero ayoko nagduda pa.
Alam kong gusto mo ko para sa'yo, pero baby hindi uubra. Kahit lumuha ka, pasensya kung ganito. Ako't hindi tulad ng iba. Baby, dito love story. I'm sorry kung gusto.
I'm frustrated. I'm really trying.
Well, let me start this by saying, you know, I'm a huge fan. I've always been Team Kylie. I've always adored you.
I'm embarrassed that I'm sitting here.
I've been there.
I know, girl, and I know you know what it feels like. So you know what I'm going through right now.
I do think you had one of the weaker performances this week, but you played the same role that I did. You were the moderator. I know how difficult that is.
I was getting a little worried because I didn't want to step on Scarlett telling her story. Then Veronica comes in and Veronica has a moment, and it was just kind of going around in circles.
I get it. I get it completely. So, I mean, this is not an easy decision. I don't know what I'm going to do at this moment.
Right. I need to be here with you guys. I need to be at the top with you. Because that's my fucking dream. These girls are my sisters, but sisters will go for you. And sisters will steal your boyfriend, and your favorite t-shirt, and all that shit. So, I have to fight to stay here. I've waited 12 years. Praise to God.
Hiram ang kotse ko.
I was in a meeting.
Exactly. Inuna mo pa yung meeting mo. Eh, alam mo naman may sakit ang bata. Kundi daw sinusubig. Ikaw nasaan? Nasa Makati ka.
What's wrong with me now?
Academic
Morning! Morning, Kevin. May orders mo yung doctor na kailangan ulit kuhanan ng blood sample.
Bye-bye. Love you. I love you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yala. Isa prank.
Maganda.
Maganda po daw.
Malayo yun eh.
Malayo.
Hindi nyo yun na.
Inaminal ako na pagbat pa aga-aga ng ina. Ano nangyayari? Ready na. Sige. Kayo. Pare, hawak dyan ha. Sige ma'am, ready na.
Ay, sus.
Hindi nung nagtubig.